Hello guys, welcome! Today we'll learn English with a funny story about Sarah's crazy morning. You'll learn daily English words and expressions that you can actually use in your real life. Ready? Let's start! Sarah is sleeping peacefully. Suddenly, she hears her alarm clock. She looks at the time. It's 7:55 a.m. Her class starts at 8 a.m. She jumps out of her bed and shouts, "Oh no, I'm late, I'm very late." Sarah runs to the kitchen. She quickly makes a cup of coffee because she needs energy, but she's in a hurry. So she forgets to add sugar. She drinks it and says, "Yuck! This is terrible. It's so bitter." She spits it out and cries, "Why? Why today?" Sarah runs back to her room. She puts on her shoes very quickly. She doesn't notice that one shoe is black and the other is red. She says to herself, "Okay, shoes on, let's go, let's go." Finally, she arrives at class. She's tired and out of breath. She opens the door and says, "I'm sorry, I'm late." The teacher looks at her shoes and smiles. She says, "Nice fashion, Sarah. Very creative." All the students laugh loudly. Sarah looks down and sees her shoes. She covers her face and says, "This is the worst morning ever." So now we will start a vocabulary recap. The first word is wake up. The second one is alarm. The third one is late. The first one is class and coffee, sugar, better, terrible, shoes, notice, laugh, fashion, worst. And that's it, our words. Thank you for watching and follow for more. Bye bye.